nobody said you needed to be a genius to stack silver, but the one asset you do need beyond money is patience. And that's an interesting view, and that's my view on stacking silver. It's a time-based game, and you need time to have success in the stacking realm. So today we're going to take a look at one coin, the 2018 Magnificent Maple 10-ounce silver coin that was acquired in 2018. We'll go through some of its features and look at current day pricing versus acquisition day pricing. See if this was worth it. I don't know if this was a dumb move or a good move, but we're going to find out next. So let's get into it. There's two ways to look at pricing. One is, and I'm looking at eBay as a resource here for the 2018 or anything close to it. But you can look at list price, which we'll start here with, and then we can look at sold prices as well on eBay Marketplace just to see how this 2018 is holding up over time. So you can see some of the current listings are, there's a vast difference between the low end here at 329, we see 388, we see 360, and then 359, and we see a variable amount of years as well, 329 again for the 2018. So this is US pricing. We're seeing this 10 ounce in 2024 listed at 329. The other way to look at pricing is sold, and we've got a little less data available to us, but let's take a look. So we are seeing listings currently between 329 and say 388. And here are a number 3, at least, recent sales of this particular piece of bullion. There's 329 showing up as recent as January 30th. And then late last year, there was a sold at 341. And prior to that, earlier in December of 23, you had 325. So pretty consistent. And, I think it's fair to say that 329 is the fair market value for that piece of bullion current day. So was this a smart buy back in 2018? I don't think it takes a genius to figure this one out, but when we look at the original purchase price in 2018 of 167 US dollars, that's the equivalent of about 225 in Canadian. When you look at that acquisition cost compared to current value of 329 US dollars, that's an increase of $162. So I'm going to go out on a limb here and say this was a smart silver buy in 2018. And, any asset that has seen an increase nearing double over a 5-year span, arguably is a really good buy. So that's my view on this particular coin, and I'm sticking to it.